clear term, he has stated that Congress party will provide reservation to Muslim community, and for that they will change the Constitution of India.
One second.
Honorable Chairman sir, एक मिनट में बोलते, एक मिनट sir, why I have to, एक मिनट sir, it is not our intention to disrupt this 0 hour. Why I am standing here is because of an extremely important and sensitive matter which has come to our notice. The members of parliament from the NDA have met me and raised this very important issue.
What is the issue?
Sir, one of the senior leader of the Congress party, very responsible Congress leader, who is holding a constitutional post, has made a statement that they are going to change the Constitution of India to provide reservation in contract work to a Muslim community. Now, this statement, we cannot take this statement lightly, because if it was a statement made by any ordinary person, then we can understand, we can reply outside. But since the statement has come from a person who is holding a constitutional position, and in a very clear term, he has stated that Congress party will provide reservation to Muslim community, and for that they will change the Constitution of India.
Reservation for
It is
what?
extremely serious. It is a matter which we cannot tolerate, and this is assault on the Constitution of India, the Constitution provided by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. And these people, they are talking about Constitution, they are carrying the photograph of Baba Sahib Ambedkar, but their people officially makes a statement to change the Constitution of India. I want the Congress president who is sitting here in the house to make very specifically clear about the Congress party's position. How and in what manner you want to change the Constitution of India to provide reservation to Muslim community? I want clear-cut reply and position from the Congress party president, who is leader of the House.
Honorable Minister, reservation in what?
Sir, my request is the Congress party president, who is the leader of the House, leader of the opposition in the Rajya Sabha, should make the position clear and tell the August House as well as to the people of India why Congress party want to change the Constitution of India to provide reservation to Muslim community.